What's up, investors? My name is Artem Dikarov, and in a couple of minutes you will know what is deflation. I will first give you a professional definition and then I will explain it as easy as I can with examples. And if you want to learn personal finances and investing by watching such short videos, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking this video to show the support for the young creator. Many more videos are coming. Thank you so much, and let's get straight to the point. Alright, so deflation represents the increase in purchasing power of a nation's currency, and deflation is the opposite phenomena from inflation. Watch my previous video where I talk about inflation. And here is an example. Imagine you go to a grocery store and you see a huge basket with vegetables and fruits which costs exactly $100. And you have $100, so you buy it. The next time you go to the same store and you have $100 again. But now the basket only costs $95. So you buy the whole basket and you use extra $5 to put some gas in your car. 5% deflation happened. Same amount of money bought you more goods than before. Although it may sound like a perfect case scenario, deflation is not always good. Because of an increased value of money, ironically, people tend to spend less and save more. This creates lower demand on the market, so people buy less goods and services, so companies receive less profit. Because of this, companies have to cut expenses, including lowering salaries and even firing some of its employees. So, as you can see, in long-term perspective, deflation can and most likely will lead to an increase in unemployment. And if you still have any questions after watching this video, feel free to leave a comment and I'll personally reply to you. Check my other videos to see if there's anything else you want to learn about personal finances and investments. Thank you all so much for spending this couple of minutes with me. I really hope there was something new that you learned today and was straight to the point.